need to go over, hold that up on your hands. Okay, so I saw majority 4s and 5s, so we'll definitely do those two. So number 4, the perimeter of the rectangle, we were given the perimeter equation here. We have our length and width, and we could put that into that formula. Except we don't really need the t, you can put the t, but it's going to be 2 times your length, let's call that this one, plus 2 times your width, let's call it that one. This is really just a simplifying problem. So you have this, you're going to distribute and combine like this. That would be your perimeter. If I knew more information, like an actual number for your length and width, we could find the actual numerical answer for the perimeter, but this wasn't asking for that because we didn't have any numbers. So this would be our perimeter. Questions on that one? Okay. Number 5, we needed to solve for b. So in something like this, if this were switched, we would have to get rid of the 3 first by multiplying. But here we will have to multiply both sides by 2b minus 8 to get it out of the denominator, which is going to cancel this on this side. 1 is being multiplied to everything over there, but it's just going to stay the same, 2b minus 8. Now we have an equation, now we can solve it, add 8 on both sides, and divide both sides by 2. So 11/2 or 5.5 was the correct answer for that one. Do we have any questions on that one?
Could you have the same answer by doing the 3 first? That's what I thought.
Doing the 3 first in what way?
Like finding 1, 3 first.
If we multiply both sides by 3. This is similar to the question on the quiz where we multiplied by m. Nothing changed. You just added more 3s all over the place. I'm not sure. Other questions on that one? Alright. So today is Flex Day. Those of you that need to finish tests, I'm going to move you somewhere over here and you're going to be working on those tests. Everyone else, give me a second to get them set up and then I'll give you your tests. You can be looking over to see if you want to retake or not. If you want to retake, you can be starting the retake process, which is, if you haven't done Delta Math, you need to be doing that. If it says you need to do additional practice, you need to be doing that. And test corrections on a separate sheet of paper, original problem, whatever you did, and fix it. Not necessarily in that order for all the retake process, but you need to complete all of those. If you choose not to retake, you're going to come see me to figure out what you should be working on next, whether that's Delta Math or additional practice. Those of you testing, same thing. When you finish, come see me to figure out what you should be working on next. Anyone have questions on what we're doing today? Okay, so I'm going to rearrange some of you. If I call your name,